lesson, I would like to demonstrate to you how Excel can be used to tabulate a leaf record and calculate the differences in the leaf using certain special function. Okay. First of all, you need to have the employee name column, leaf start date and leaf end date, type of leaf, and the difference in leaf column. Okay, the difference in leaf, you realize, is calculated by using the Excel command net work days bracket. C2 is the leaf start date, D2 is the leaf end date, and the last after the comma we key in the holidays, which is shown as the holidays worksheet here with a series of leaf. You realize I tabulate from and to so that this makes the understanding easier. So what I need to do is to define the holidays based on this structure, and I'll be able to calculate the differences in dates. Now, let me demonstrate to you how to make meaningful data using these tabulations. Maybe annual leave is too general. Maybe we'll add another study leave as well to make it more exciting. Maybe David Teo has study leave and Carol Chong has study. Now let's define this as a table. We select the range as shown. Then we do a format as table under home itself and choose any of the coloring systems that you want. You're shown that you're selecting from A1 to F9. Then put OK. You realize that there's a change in colors. That's good. That looks great anyway. So what to do next? We will remember we already have the study leave and annual leave here in this particular data. We may want to represent it through a chart system. How to do it? Select the area, insert a pivot table chart, for example. Or if you do not want, we can copy out this table into a new sheet. All right. And we do a insert pivot table. In this case, we are selecting a table 13 using existing sheet. Okay, the reason why this is not shown is because we are not defining the location. So we have to go to here, click, and go to H. Okay, in this way, the pivot table and the chart is shown. So we select by employee, type of leave, and the difference in leave. Okay, you can see this is the tabulation so far that's being shown. And maybe we may want to see study leave only. It is that simple. All right, so now let us move on to show a bit more how to build a simple desktop based on this. Remember, with this graph, we already have information such as the graphing to show the representation of the data. We may want to have, instead of filter here, we may want to show as a slicer. What are slicers? Slicers are actually filters in a way that can further detail your selections so as to show real time on the effect it has on your graph and it has on your table, pivot table respectively. Now let us do an insert slicer. Maybe I want the employee name to be shown, type of leave, and maybe type of leave will be fine. Put OK. You'll realize that now the slicer shown is the employee name with the graph and the type of leave. Look carefully. When I select study leave, only Carol and David Teo will be shown. When I select annual leave, only annual leave, staff who apply annual leave will be shown in these tabulations. And maybe if I'm only concerned with Barry Tan, I can click Barry Tan, and in this way, Barry Tan will be shown. Look at this overall systems. It is pretty powerful if you were to notice. Imagine you have a few pivot tables which you can generate a desktop of this nature to determine the data that you're concerned with. I'm very sure you will agree it is very informative and can be used to help us to make important decisions. Although this is a simple example, but it can be extended to make reports that are more complex and eventually into a dashboard where you can monitor performance, staff performance. Again, is how you implement these solutions. Thank you.